Morning guys, just arriving in an industrial estate area of Watford, here to collect, well repossess, a Mercedes Sprinter van. Should have a bailiff with it. I have no other details. It's going to go straight to auction, so let's go and have a look. See what happens. Right. It's on this road. Not sure where, but it's this road goes up and round the corner. It's a 2020 plate one. Well, it's a 70 plate. Don't know if it's sign written or anything. Right, here we go. This is the road. So it should be up this end somewhere. That is the van, and it's huge, but I believe we're lucky because he's got keys, so we're going to spec lift it. They didn't warn me that it was a tall one like that. This is handy having the keys, isn't it? Right, where's that fella gone? Don't want to run him over. Let's move away a little bit so I can see the spec. Looks like that should do the job. Right, here we go. So that was a nice easy one then. So it's on the spec. Handbrake off, ready to roll, so it can just tow behind me. I have my tailboard on the back, so I've got lights, and it's going to be very easy to, because I've got the keys. So it's in pretty good condition. Wing mirrors are both damaged, and there's a dent in the other wing, but other than that, she's alright. Bit big, but lucky enough empty, so not very heavy. So that's okay. Right, let's get off to auction. Right, here we are at the auction house in Bedford. Let's get this off and drive it around there to where they have them parked up. Here we go. Oh, got to take my tailboard off, haven't I? Right, that's all unstrapped. Let's drive this round to where the place they want it. Why does it saying brake? It's got a fault on it, I guess. Something is off. Active brake assist functions limited. Let's go and find a gap to put it in around there. Dump it here. It did say to me anywhere around there, so that's anywhere I can, as far as I can tell. Right, just got to pack away here and move on to the next one. So thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course for all your recovery needs you know who to call. Bud Recovery. See you next time.